Hello and welcome back to Complete HTML course. In this lesson, we will look at the basic structure of an HTML page and also learn how to create an HTML page. So let's get started. Here's a very specific structure of an HTML document. This is a very simple diagram. I just want to show you the basic structure of an HTML document. You can see that everything is surrounded by HTML tags. Here's the opening tag and here's the ending tag. Inside that we have a head area and below we have a body area. But the head has nothing to do with the output in the browser. Here we can write the title tag, links to CSS files, links to JavaScript files, metadata, keywords and description, etc. It's actually used by a search engine and it knows some more information about the web page. And then in the body area we have an actual markup that's going to display in the browser. Now I'll give you a quick example. I have opened my text editor and create a new file. I will save the file as a page structure.html and select the location. And now we will write here the HTML code. First we start from the doc type declaration and write here angle bracket open, exclamation mark, and in capital letters I'll write doc type, simple, and simply write in small letters HTML and angle bracket close. That's it. If you want to learn more about the doc type, then you must go through the doc type lesson. Doc type is not technically an HTML tag. It's just a declaration of the web page. It tells the browser what type of HTML. Now I write HTML opening and closing tag like this. After that, I will write the opening and closing head tag. I'll set the title here, opening tag and closing tag. In between, I write page structure. Or you can give the title as per your choice, whatever you want. And you can write here the opening and closing body tag. So, here we have the doc type and HTML opening and closing tag. Inside the HTML tag, we have a head tag and a body tag, and inside the head tag we have a title tag. Now I am going to write the heading tag inside the body area. Angle bracket open h1, angle bracket close, angle bracket open / h1, angle bracket close. In between I'll write the content, complete HTML course. Now you can see here inside the body tag we have a heading tag. Let's go ahead and open the browser. Here you can see the live preview of your HTML page. You can see here our page title. Now I'll write another heading tag inside the body tag. Angle bracket open h1, angle bracket close, angle bracket open / h1, angle bracket close. Save the file, go to the browser and you can see our second heading tag. It's very simple. This is the basic HTML page structure. That way you can create the HTML web page. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.